How to merge two Canva projects. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to merge two Canva projects. Let's get started. First, open Canva and either create a new project or open the existing project you want to add more designs to. So as you can see, I already have a project open here. Click Add Page. Now look at the left side of your screen and click on Projects. Then under Projects, click on Designs. Here, you will see a list of all the designs you've created before. Find the design you want to merge with your current project. Once you find it, click it, and the entire design or the specific pages you select directly into your current project. And that's it. Your two Canva projects are now successfully merged into one. From here, you can rearrange, edit, or customize the pages however you like. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.